In this video, I will show you how to change the color of your text in Discord. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, if you want to change the color of your text, then the best way to do this is it's actually a website you can use, which is this one here called texttrick.com. Now, if you actually come across this website and what you want to do is come up to the top, you can see we've actually got a option for Discord text. So give that a click. Then what you want to do is, if you scroll down on this page, you're going to see a Discord message box just down here. What you want to do is type your message into here. And once that's done, underneath you're going to see some different options. As you can see, we've got things like fancy fonts, markdowns, and there's one full text colors. So if you actually give that a click, what that's going to do is bring up all the text colors with the codes underneath. Now, all you need to do is simply select the color that you want to use. For example, let's go ahead and select orange, and then you're going to see a copy button just over in the top right hand corner. So if you actually click onto copy, and all you then need to do is simply come back to Discord, paste this into the message box. Don't worry about the code that's been added, that's going to disappear when you post a message. But if we go ahead, hit enter, this is going to post the message, and as you can see, it's now in orange, and you can see the code is not showing. So coming back to here, you can see we've got a ton of different colors we can use, all with the different codes. So again, if we come back and for example use the blue color here, and what I'm going to do is click onto copy, come back to Discord, paste that into here, and then hit enter. So you can just go through and see all the different codes and different things you can use. And that is how to change the color of your text in Discord. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.